Hello guys, welcome back to another Doors video. Today, we have a new entity name revealed. So, as you may know, yesterday Doors posted the trailer, and as we can see here, we can see the birds on the fountain. However, they revealed the name. Before I start, there's a video of absolutely nothing, just them looking around. But here it is. So anyways, let's reveal the name, which is, cause that's the new bird entity that's a bad omen, or just some chill guy. Anyways, comment your thoughts on this video, and I'll see ya soon. Bye everyone.